Investigating allows the doctor to understand the disease or the pathology that is affecting your body. Hi there, welcome to our program of Bosom Sao. My name is Mubarak Wantimba, a medical imaging technologist from Crest Natural Health Center. Now, Crest Natural Health is the biggest homeopathic hospital in Uganda. We are located along Gayaza Road, Lutete, opposite Vision Petroleum, just after Kumbuzi. Now, imagine the year is 1865, and a patient goes to a doctor, and they probably have a tumor on their liver. But then, when they reach the doctor tries to get their signs, symptoms, and all the information, or the clinical information from them. But then the doctor doesn't have the technologies to actually check things like ultrasound or CT scan or MRI or X-rays for that matter. So imagine how was life at that time. Medicine was completely different. Now fast forward to 2024, when we have all these digital technologies that we are able to use and find the different pathologies or the different diseases in the body. So today we are going to look at why it is important for you and your family to investigate, to check yourselves, to go for medical checkups. Okay, now reason number one, early detection. This is very critical in a lot of diseases, because sometimes you could be asymptomatic, meaning you do not have any symptoms, you feel fine, but then there's something going on in your body. There is a disease that is growing in your body that you do not know. So when you go for these kinds of investigation, these routine checkups, when you go to the hospital and you're checked, a doctor might incidentally find a disease, maybe like a cancer, that you didn't actually know you had. So one of the benefits of investigating is that we are able to detect diseases in their early stages, and therefore the benefit is they can easily be treated and managed, and therefore that would improve prognosis and make you healthier and happier. Now, reason number two, investigating allows the doctor to understand the disease or the pathology that is affecting your body. Okay? So we are able to really pinpoint the actual disease that is affecting you. So you realize that is one, time saving. Second, it is health saving, because remember, we are treating the right disease. And then thirdly, it is cost saving, because you're not going to have to spend money treating a disease that is actually not affecting you. So using these technologies like ultrasounds, like X-rays, or any other kinds of technologies, we could also talk about laboratory technologies, that allow us to actually find these diseases, understand the nature of these diseases, stage these diseases, and then treat them in the best way possible. Reason number three is investigations. These technologies, for example, ultrasound, allow us to know the exact location of your disease. Now, take an example of a tumor. Let's say that tumor or a nodule is within your prostate. or let's say you have a tumor in your kidney. Okay, so we are able to really see where that disease is, and then we can target it. Now, let me give you an example of, let's say, fibroids in women. Okay, we're supposed to know the actual location in order to extract it or even treat it. Reason number 4, and this is going to be the last reason, is that we have to continue monitoring. We've found the disease, we are treating you, but we have to monitor. How are you improving? How is the prognosis? Are you on the right track? Okay, so those are all things that we can use these technologies to know. So along the way, we can easily tell whether you're improving or deteriorating. So if you're improving, we continue with the medication, but if you're deteriorating, then we roll back on that treatment, and maybe we could ask for further investigations, or we could just change the course of treatment. So you realize there are multiple benefits of marrying technology and health. One of them, as we've seen, is early detection of the diseases, which is crucial in diseases like cancer. Secondly, pinpointing the actual diseases, meaning accuracy of diagnosis, which is critical. Like we saw, it's health saving, time saving, and cost saving. Thirdly, is helping within the process of the actual treatment. Okay, so we use these technologies, for example, in things like ultrasound guided interventions that probably remove masses or tumors within your body. And then lastly, we are able to monitor, evaluate, to ensure that the treatments that we are giving are actually effective. So those are the benefits. So you should consider checking yourself. You should consider you should consider allowing recommendations from your health from your health providers to actually investigate. So if a doctor tells you next time, okay, we want to do a scan, don't say, no, but I know the disease that is affecting me. No, you shouldn't do that. You should accept to do this investigation. So this is our episode of Buza Omsao from Crest Natural Health Center, Lutete, the best homeopathic hospital in Uganda. We use alternative medicines to actually manage different conditions. Now, in our next episode, we are going to look at the different technologies. Okay, we've seen why it's important to actually investigate. So we are going to look at the different technologies that we actually use to look inside your body, to look at the structures in your body, and then come and then see the different diseases within your body. Thank you very much for listening, and don't forget to visit www.crestnaturalhealthcenter.com. Check out our phone numbers. You'll see them on our channel or on our outlets. Thank you very much for listening.